How to add subtitles or insert timed captions in Kinemaster. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add up the auto subtitles or insert the time captions in Kinemaster. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to add subtitles or insert time captions in Kinemaster, go ahead and open up the application and select up a video in which you want to add to. After the video is selected and placed under the timeline, you'll be finding it right here. So the next step is you just need to go ahead and click on the video that you've added, and you'll be getting various options right here on the right side of your screen. So go ahead and scroll to the option in this section from this options available and go to this option right here, which is called auto captions, and select it. After that, you need to get a plugin. So to generate the captions, you must first download the caption language file. So go ahead and tap on this get plugin option right here. After that, you'll be getting different languages options available. For now, I'm choosing English. And after that, click on this download option right here from your screen. The download may take about a minute, so be very patient for that to be downloaded. And once it is downloaded, we can just directly add it on our video. After it is downloaded, you can tap on this generate option right here, and it will take about some time for this as well. Just wait for it to be completed and it will automatically generate the captions for your video. Just wait for some minutes. According to your video size, it may take about the time, so you can be patient for that. And once that is done, it will automatically generate the captions for you. You can just edit it out as well if that is done. So that is how you basically add up a subtitle and insert a timed caption in your Kinemaster application. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.